Hi, what's up BTT coin holder? What's going on this time? In last 3 days 0.84% BTT will get a profit. Congratulations my brother to BTT price will pumps up in an upcoming term. The very huge pumps is coming soon now. So please holders, I will notify you, otherwise please decision is on you my friend. Please research personally and take a decision, but I just give you advice. Remember, this is not a financial video. Any risk, any my friends, any fails, any loss, I cannot responsible. So please try to understand. This time you can see here the BTT price will pumps up 0.84%. It's really huge pump up, and because all crypto market is this time my friend uncomfortable, so therefore it's really huge now my friends, huge pump because my mother every coin were fails down, and just only BTT, one of the unique coin, to they will get a profit. Now this time, as you can see my friend, I request for all holders to please focus on the price prediction, because this is very important for all of you. You can see in the last 3 days my friend, this chart is clearly show you to this coin will pumps up, and definitely every coin will moving in this circulation to after a pump every coin will dump. And this time you can see the last arrows is completely show you my friends to after this chart fails they will get a very huge pump now. So please holders, you will need to hold down. I hope my friend, if you are hold, so there is a huge my friends pump coming soon, so please you will need to just only participate now, and please invest now, and upcoming time I hope they will give you a very double profit now. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. See you next time BTT coin holder. My prediction is 100% going positive. My opinion is positive. Please hold down and don't starting selling. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.